In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on eBay in less than 2 minutes. If you've ever wanted to dive into the world of online buying or selling, getting started on eBay is a great step. So let's get you signed up in no time. First things first, open your web browser and head over to eBay's website. This marks the beginning of your journey into the vast marketplace where you can buy everything from rare collectibles to everyday necessities. Once you're on the home page, you'll spot the register link at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to becoming an eBay member. Now, you'll see a registration form asking for some essential information. Enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that mixes numbers, symbols, and upper and lower case letters to keep your account secure. After you've filled out your basic details, you'll find the option to click on Create Personal Account. Simply click this button to proceed. This ensures all the details you've provided are submitted and you're ready to move forward in configuring your new eBay account. Next, you'll need to add your phone number. Adding your number helps in verifying your identity, which is a necessary step to ensure security on the platform. Once you've entered your number, click on Continue. This action will prompt eBay to send a security code via text message to your phone. When you receive the security code, enter it into the designated field to verify your phone number. This step acts as an additional layer of security, confirming it's really you setting up the account. With the formalities nearly complete, you're now ready to explore your account's features. Click on My eBay at the top of the homepage. This section will become your personal dashboard where you can manage your buying history, watch items of interest, and much more. While you're here, give the Selling tab a click. This prepares your account for selling should you decide to part with some treasures of your own. Before you can fully use all of eBay's features, you'll need to complete a bit more information. You'll be prompted to complete your account details. This includes filling out your address. Just type in your current address details and click Continue. Completing these details a vital step. It ensures sellers know where to send your items and also assists in calculating any shipping costs. And just like that, you're all set. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully registered on eBay. Now you can start exploring the platform, bidding on items, or even listing your own treasures. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with eBay. Happy buying and selling!